Yo, what up guys? For today's video, I am playing some AP Blitzcrank. I'm gonna go full AP. Our Q is a 5-second cooldown, and at level 3, my ult is also a 5-second cooldown. So we're gonna have insane, crazy one-shot burst every 5 seconds in this game. And it is gonna be so much fun. I love playing full AP Blitzcrank in pretty much every mode I play Blitzcrank in. Alright, let's try to get a hook here. Just gonna have to flash. There it is. Oh, we got Shaco boxes. Let's hook him into the Shaco boxes. There you go. Nice, I got first blood. Let's go. Can I get this guy? Oh, he's so fast. But it's like, if I just flash on him, maybe I'll reach. Oh, so close. So close. Come here. Yes! 2 kills! Let's go! This guy is going to do some crazy damage. Oh! I'm the chaosing machine. Let's go. Yo! Come on. Dude, triple kill. I'm starting this 4-0. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. I have to run for my life. Wait, let's look at this guy. Oh no, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. No. Okay, so I have 4 kills. I have 1400 gold. Oh my god, what an amazing start. Let's go. What if we just rush Rabadon because our Q is 100% AP ratio? And my Q is 120% and my R is 100%. So it's pretty correct. Alrighty. I have no wave clear, but at level 6 I can one-shot the wave. Oh, they have Blitz and Vladimir. Okay then. That'd be hard to hook Vlad because he just has his pool all the time. That champ's pretty annoying in Earth. What the heck? Ah. It's a Blitz div, baby. It's a Blitz div. He said, what the fuck, that interaction. So I hooked him up first. I got him to the turret. Oh, we can't even like hook this guy. He's selling the pool. Oh, maybe I can now. Come on. Let's go. And I'm out of here. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. Oh, we're going back in, baby. Oh, we hooked. We must live. I can't believe I have 6 kills already. This is the best start I've had yet on Blitzcrank. This guy just used his pool. So we need to try to hook him before it's back up. Alright, that works. Alright, we got Trundle, we got my E, we got my W attack speed. We're going to be melting this turret, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, am I dead? Okay, nice. I didn't think it. Let's get out of here. I can fight Rabadon. Let's go. Rabadon, let's go. The 4-minute Rabadon, dude. That is nutty. That is so nutty. I have 244 AP. Oh my goodness. And I'm only level 4, dude. I have a Rabadon at level 4, 4 minutes in. That just sounds bizarre. Okay, we're level 5 now. We got hook up. Let's look for it. Gotta make sure I don't get hooked because I'll just die. Here. Okay, he flashed. Now he's as easy as ever to hook. I'll see W's with that movement speed there. Well played. Let's get these minions out of my way. No way. What is that? Oh, I'm just dead. I think Trundle kills them all. Go Trundle! Get him, Trundle! Hell yeah! That's my Trundle. That's him right there. Alright, 889 AP. And we're level 6. I do 564 damage. Let's see it. Wow! There's only 1 damage off from the tooltip. I should just click Vlad when he came in there. Oops, I wanted the blitz. Get over here. And he fast. He fast as freak. Almost. Okay, I'm gonna ult this wave. Nice. Ult is currently a 15-second cooldown. That is very short. Okay, he's got no flash again. We can do it. Look at that. Okay, he W'd. So we just have to go for the blitz. Oh no! Let's look him outside of tower range like this. And see if we can get a kill or two here. Not sure if I can beat this guy. Just like, ooh. Yeah, I would definitely need my ult back up again to fight him. Alright, glad that hook did not land. I'm gonna go ult this wave real quick. Instant wave clear, it's so OP. Hell yeah. Yeah, I kinda wanna like lane swap. They're a little hard to hook. I like this idea. I am down for this. Let's go Shadow Flame next. Now Blitz is bot. We'll do a little lane swap here. We'll just eat their tower plates. Aw. He was in silence long enough. He got his flash off. Well, now he has no flash. You die. Can I get a Blitzcrank diff in the comment section, guys? Would appreciate it. Oh, got him. I can land hooks in my sleep, literally. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh, why did I ult those minions? I took a tower shot. No. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, I gave Vlad 600 gold, guys. I gave the OP scaling champion a lot of gold. Oops. Sorry, if we just hook him and like ult him late game, he can't cast anything. On the bright side, right? Okay, so what should my next item be? Are they building MR? Not really. Oh, it's the hook bros now. I like this lane. I like this 2v2 matchup. Okay. Blitzcrank diff. Nice, we got the Shadow Flame, so huge 700 damage. Almost 800 damage crit there. Oh my gosh, my hook did 1000 damage to a minion already. My goodness. What? Oh, I'm down for that. A tiny bit more haste would be pretty cool. Well, I'll set this fly ult. Yeah. Alright, let's go get Storm Surge. Hey yo. Do I want to be here? Yeah, why not? My kill. Word. I got a kill. It has to be worth. Oh my goodness, their whole team is here. And Shaco's 1v1ing top turret. What a beast. What a beast. Alright, this Storm Surge is 249 extra damage. That's pretty cracked. I cannot wait for that. It will just get one shot from the hook ult Storm Surge. Maybe even my E. Alright, let's A-round it. I need to get level 16. So my ult is a 5-second cooldown. 4.9-second cooldown right now. Oh, I guess they took our jungle. I'm ghosting. Let's see if we can catch up to Lilia. Outplayed. She had no clue I was there. Oh my gosh. The damage is insane. My cannon. Alright, let's do like this real quick. I'm gonna ult these because they take forever to kill. Oh, actually, why not? Hook the Lilia. Bang. Boom. Bada bing. Bada boom. Get the Vlad. Giving me more. More. Oh my god. I got a triple kill. Oh my god. There was actually a penta angle here. Because the Caitlyn is right there. Let's see if we can get her. Oh yeah, we got her. Oh my god, we almost got a pentakill. On the full AP Blitzcrank. Let's freaking go. Woohoo! I have no clue right now if I mentioned it or not. But I'm doing AD Blitzcrank in game number 2 of this. So stay tuned for that if you want to see AD full crit blitz, where my E just like one-shots them. Alright, let's get a Lich Bane. Should I go Void? I'll do Lich Bane. What is up with my Lucidity? Oh, it's a 4.4 second cooldown. Okay. I wanna see if I can get this down to 4 seconds. That would be huge, actually. As little as that seems, it's like actually huge. Holy. Oh my god, they're exploding. Get over here. Woohoo! Triple. 756 AP. Hey, yo. Let's go. Do we do this? Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm just letting my ult like zap it. So that's more DPS. It does 400 damage every single zap to the Baron buff. Ooh, we're almost level 16. That gave me so much XP. Holy. That's correct. Okay. See you later, Grump. I'm level 16. My ult's a 4.5 second cooldown. Sure, why not? My homie, thank you. Alright, I guess Void Staff. Or I can go the healing one too. I'll do the healing one. It gets more haste, and they don't have that much MR. Alright, let's go. Let's get in here. Oh, knocked him up. Bodied. One shot. Outplayed. My ult. Oh, I was gonna say. Okay, my ult's back up. Oh, this Storm Surge one-shotted. Finished the job, I should say. Okay. And I'm zooming. Where's my next prey? There they are. You cannot stop me. Okay, nice dodge. Ooh, wait, more haste. Oh, there's a minion there, my bad. Okay. Everybody else back up again. Let me get these. I am looking for hooks. Okay. Yeah, we just silenced the Vlad so we can't pull. Oh, I'm sleepy. Okay. We're full build. 931 AP. Wait, let's get Infernal Soul. Wait, that would be so sick to get Infernal Soul this game. On full AP Blitz. $1,500 damage execute from my ult there. Oh, whoops. Okay. Ha! We can keep going. We can keep going. Okay. No Vlad Flash. Okay, he's silenced. He's just dead. We could keep diving. Oh, he was too slow. So he didn't run into my hook. Are they all dead? Oh, Lily's back. She's in the base. Should I sell boots or anything? Let's see. Ooh, Malignance. Oh yeah, that took some time off my ult. That's a 4 second cooldown. 4.5. 4.15. Holy. Is this the shortest ult cooldown in the game? Oh my gosh, Dragon's in a minute and a half. I want this, guys. I want it. I need it. I don't think my ult passive is that fantastic. I think we just spam our... Oh my gosh, he wants the 1v1. He wants to trade hooks. I'll get some poke on you if you don't mind. Alright, he's been poked. No shot they want to fight me, dude. No shot you want to fight me. Alright, 1 minute on drag. 1 minute on drag. We need it. I'm afraid they're gonna FF, dude. I'm a little afraid. I need the dragon. Wow, I'm level 19. Okay, yeah, you know what? My passive is pretty insane DPS. 4.04 second cooldown on my R, no way. If I just like collect cinders all game, we could get this like such a low cooldown. This is what it's like having ADHD right here. Zooming. ADHD plus coffee combo. I vaulted the dragon twice. It's pretty sick. 1057 AP. Our Gathering Storm is still gathering as well. Come on, get Baron. That would be more AP. More AP. More AP. More AP. Ooh, a Cinder. Ooh, another. Ooh, a piece of candy. Ooh, a piece of candy. Alright, let's do it. See how many times we can ult the Baron. We're kind of melting it. We kind of melted it. What the heck is this ult cooldown, dude? What the fuck? This ult cooldown is so insane. I'm just ulting for fun. Incoming airstrike. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm ulting every character on their team. One by one. Oh my god, can I get a penta? Can I get a penta? Penta? This guy okay? I took freaking Fountain Laser? I didn't even get a triple, so it's fine. Whatever. Or quadra. Well guys, this game should be closed out soon, so please don't forget to body the like button. It helps support the videos. If you love watching my videos daily, and if you're not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. But yeah, this stuff helps support the channel, guys. I would really appreciate it. Also, leave a comment down below what you want to see next. Let me hear your ideas for builds, champions, and IRFs. And I also thought about doing like, you know, fun IRF comps, like sniper comp and stuff like that, for example. If you guys want to see that, please let me know down below in the comments. If you'd like to see like fun comp ideas like that instead of just only individual champions. Like, I would love to hear you guys' opinion on like, you know, what you want to see on this channel. I always read my comments. So, yeah, feel free to leave a comment. Oh my gosh. Elder Dragon Blitzcrank, dude. Let's do it. Let's get it. Dude, shout out any team for not FFing. I swear, like, every time someone's just, like, down one kill, they FF. Oops, we didn't get the trundle. My fault, fam. Holy. Oh, no. I don't want to die. I got put to sleep. Let me come R. Okay. 1 R. Okay, he flashed it. 2 R's. 3 R's. Ooh, cinders. That's a 4-second cooldown, dude. That's just crazy. Wait, oh my gosh. Alright, let's end this game. They're 30 seconds from spawning again. Oh my goodness. This took me a few tries to get. I haven't even eaten yet today, man. But yeah, we still gotta do our AD Blitz video, so stay tuned for AD Blitzcrank, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Check out Damage Chart. Let's check out the full AP Blitz with Infernal Soul, with Elder Dragon, where I literally ulted like... How many times did I ult that game? Like 200 times, maybe? That was sick. We'll honor our lean partner, Trundle. My man, Trundle. Sorry, I'm from Georgia. Oh, they got 35 kills, 84,000 damage. Full AP Blitz is cracked, guys. Go give this a try in your Earth games. Let me know how it goes. And stay tuned for AD Blitzcrank in game number 2. Alrighty, guys. This is game 2 with AD Blitzcrank, where we have a 180% AD ratio on our E. Or he's a 1.25 second cooldown. We might be able to like perma knock them up. We even have like a Janna for more knockups. And the Janna shield is going to give us even more AD. It's like a perma Janna shield too. Why did I start E level 1 instead of hook? You know what? It's fun. I do crazy damage. If they jump in, I'm ready with the knockup. But I think I should have went Q level 1, my bad. I just gotta sit here and watch. Wait. It's fine. This Blitz skin is like kind of spooky. He's got like a honeycomb as his fist. That is crazy. I go bot lane? Alright, I'll go bot lane, I guess. Someone is looking up top. Oh. Wow, they're so squishy and low. Against Xin, Zhao, and who? Silas? I think I'd rather go top. Maybe we can ask him. I want to lane against the squishy so I can one-shot them. I think versus Xin, Zhao, Silas would be kind of lame. Yeah, nice. We're getting a better matchup now. Thank you, team. Ah, that's a big skill shot. Okay. Oh my gosh. We killed. I land those! Also, I have lethal tempo, which gives me infinitely stacking attack speed in the earth. So while they're knocked out, we can like legit like auto them 5 times in a row. That'd be really funny. That'd be super OP. Oh. Hey! Wow, dude, we're already just like bopping them. They're just getting bopped. Oh, nice. If only I had hooked for that knock up there. That would have been free. Fine. Alright, we'll be maxing the E once we're level 4. And at the point in E, it's a shorter cooldown. I might die 1-for-1 here. Let's see. Actually, no. We win these. Oh, good flash, bud. We'll play. Can win! Oh my god, I'm alive! Oh my god, I'm alive, dude. No way. Oh my goodness, it's working. The AD Blitzcrank. Alright, let's clear this wave and get the heck out of here. I think I'll max my W. Second? Uh oh. Yeah, don't mess with us. Alright, I'll max W second. This gives 70% attack speed. Yeah, we're going to break the attack speed cap so easily with lethal tempo and our W. And we have alacrity. So we got hella attack speed. So I definitely want a Sheen item. I think I'll do crit, so we'll do Essence Reaver first. Because it just makes our E do insane damage when we critically strike. Ow. Okay, we're gonna last hit this cannon. Let's see, right here. Oh, it's 1 HP. Oh, my attack speed is insane. I was able to get that. Alright, I don't like the way you're shooting your skill shots, man. Get over here. Bang. 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 Nice. Okay, and with level 6. Oh, we got a splash. I don't even think that was gonna connect. It looked like it was maybe like a pixel off from actually being in range. Oh, that's a kill. Oh, it's not a kill. Hey, yo, did she just flash into my auto range? I think that Jinx just flashed into my auto range there, guys. I was like, oh no, I'm dead. And then I think she just flashed. Oh, ow. Alright. AD Blitzcrank E versus turret. Who wins? I used 1.6 second cooldown. Holy. That's too crazy. I'd love to hook this guy, but he's too far under turret and I'm in the wave. Whoa! No chill. Alright, if Janna lands knock up, it's free kill. Ooh, nice. I like that. But alright, come here. Oh gosh, I'm low, but we have so many knockups. Did I just live, dude? That's gonna be so frustrating to play against. Holy. Oh, let's see if we can get another plate. While they are dead. Uh oh. I'm dying for the plate. I don't care. I got it. Woohoo! Worth. Alrighty. Check out the Vori. Non-ultimate ability cooldowns by 12%. The reigning cooldown. Abilities deal up to 20% increased damage based on critical strike. But this gives me 20% more damage than that, I believe, from the critical strike damage. So I guess I'll do that. Let's do that. Cause like the Vori's not really gonna reduce my cooldowns by that much, cause it's such a low cooldown already. Yo, get off our turret though. Oh, Jen is bot. Excuse me. I haven't eaten yet today. The hiccups are kicking in. You know what? You know what? Get fisted. You know what? Hey, hey, get fisted. Hey, get fisted. Okay, have a nice day. Alright, easy 1v2. Oh my god. Who's this? He cannot play the game. Oh my god. Wait, this might be even more broken than AP Blitz. This seems like less counterplay, because like they're just perma knocked up from my E. Perma hooked, perma knock up, perma silence. Like, dang. This shit crazy. Up. Up. I've been collected. Dang, they sent the whole goon squad top. Alright, we got Infinity Edge. Let's get Berserker Greaves. And what else would be good here? Bloodthirster I think gives the most tag damage. Sundered Sky might be cracked. Storm Razor would be sick. I'm gonna do that. It's just like straight up point and click burst. Alright, Jinx is going to trap me. Oh, she used it. And she flashed. Oh, I still got trapped? Eh, we'll still get her. Oh. I lagged, of course. He's scripting. Dude, legit like perma knockup. It's kind of disgusting, OP. Get over here. Oh my gosh. Triple kill? Oh, he's so fast. But we have Janna, it's like we could just be faster. Nice. Okay. This is way too much fun. Oh, that's a Zinzao. Let's see, he's 7 and 8. Very tanky. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, we did it. I crit him for 1,000. Oh my god, I crit him for 1,000 this early? That's OP. 1,000 damage crit 10 minutes into the game with 2 item Blitzcrank. That's a little OP. While being CC'd. Hey yo, free kill. What's up? Hey, get over here. Or, okay, we got him. Oh my gosh, 1,600 crits. That's OP. Infernal dragons? Oh yeah, give me more AD. Get over your crab. Mr. Krabs. It's gonna keep like hooking this thing. Nice. W's maxed out. Just about. How crazy is to have a knockup and a 1.15 second cooldown though? That is absurd. Ooh, let's get like Kraken Slayer. That sounds cracked. Huh? Okay, we got him. Nice. My gosh, my autos are one-shotting the minions without even critting. A comically nice 420 damage from the autos versus the minions. Alright. Wow. Wow. What if I can 1v1 the turret while tanking it with the Janna shields? Oh yeah, we're eating this turret up. Who there? You? You're over here. Come get outplayed. Oh, okay, go for you. No, my hook got cancelled. Oh no. I hate how knockups interact like that. As an Azir main, that like happens to me a lot. I'll like ult someone away for a peel. It's like, okay, get them off me, I'm going to die. And then like, I have a Lulu or a Janna that will like use their ult or like whatever. Or Q. And like the knockups just like cancel each other out, so they're like stuck on top of me. I've had that happen to me so many times when I've like played Azir. It's like it just happened this Blitzcrank when we're trying to get a pull. It's like I wish the hook took like priority, or like Azir ult took priority in a situation like that. No man. I wish we do next. I only need one more item for full build. Maybe some lifesteal. Yeah, lifesteal would be nice. No Zinzal's in there. Clear one more bot wave. Oh, there he is. He wants my Janna. Okay. Save Janna, save Janna, save Janna. 3.27 attack speed blitz. Have you ever seen such attack speed on this character? Pretty sure we can just do this to the turret. Oh. Oh, I guess he out. I might have my last item here. Let's see. I don't even know I want to. Oh, they're done. They have 5. No, we could have got another item. But GG's guys, thank you so much for watching. That was an insane amount of fun. It was worth not eating, but I'm gonna go eat now and get myself my first meal of the day. I'm sorry for the late upload, but it be like that. But yeah, GG's guys, thanks for watching. Body that like button, subscribe for daily content if you're new, for daily Earth videos. Leave a comment down below what you want to see me play next, or anything you liked about the video, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a good day. Peace. Have a good one.